Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak. Welcoming you all to my Eid vlog. This video will be in English, which was my long term wish to publish a video in English. Hope you all like it and keep watching. Starting my day with segregating the vegetables. My father-in-law bought it early in the morning and I start segregating the vegetables. I usually see the price of the vegetables in the bill. This was the day before Ramadan. These are the vegetables which was bought and stocking up for the next day. Chopping the heads of the green chilies and storing it in an airtight container. My mother-in-law helped in chopping the coriander leaves and mint leaves. My daughter is helping me in cleaning the glass and the railings using Colin. We started cleaning early in the morning. And my husband helped me in cleaning all the ceiling fans, and he is my backbone. At the side by side, I started preparing lunch for the day. The menu was very simple: lemon rice, white rice and rasam with simple potato fry. I am now preparing potato fry. Oil is being heated up and added some mustard seeds and adding some curry leaves to it. Then goes the crushed garlic. Now adding the chopped potatoes. Giving a nice stir fry. Then goes in the spice powders. Adding in the salt as per required. Turmeric powder, chili powder and Kashmiri chili powder. Mix it well. At last, adding some asafoetida to it. Give it a nice mix and cover the pan with a lid and wait to cook for it. At that time, preparing some muskmelon juice for my family members. It was a very sunny day. Cutting muskmelon into pieces and adding it to a mixer jar. Adding some milk and sugar to it. Grind it to a smooth paste. And now it's ready. You can also add some ice cubes while serving. Now time is around 1 o'clock. I have finished all my work and this is the lunch for the day. Lemon rice with potato fry, and white rice with rasam. A simple lunch. And now it's time for changing the bed sheets. I have took two new bed sheets, one for our room and another for our in-laws room. Now I'm changing it for my in-laws room. And now my in-laws room is ready. And now changing the bed cover in our room. Ducking in the corners and setting it in the place. And finally, our room is also ready. After this, getting down for my iftar, a simple iftar last day of Ramadan, kanji with onion pakoda and muskmelon juice. Since it was last day of Ramadan, I concentrate more time in my prayers. Praying every day for everything to be normal. Let's all fight together and win this battle against Corona. And now it's time for pre-preparation. I have took some cashews broken. I have already bought some broken cashews and cutting it into smaller pieces. And storing it in airtight container. Next, I have cut all the coconuts for chutney and also storing it in airtight container. Now it's time for onions. I have took some onions, peeled and chopped it for kurma. We will start our breakfast work early in the morning. So I am preparing it the day before night. Chopping the onions. And now it's done. Refilling the oil can. And now washing urad dal for vadai. Breakfast menu includes medu vadai. So I am washing it and soaking it overnight. Wash it thoroughly and adding some clean water and soak it overnight. Now it's done. I'm back to my room, segregating Anusha's dress and her accessories for next day morning. This is her Eid dress. A pink frill frock. It also comes with a pant. And I have also took a box and segregated all her accessories. This will save our time. These little things will save more time in the morning, and we won't be in a hurry at the last minute. Choosing her bangles. Here is the box. I have took a rose clip, a puff, a chain, and some tic tac clips to it. And this is my clip. Storing it in a separate box, which will be easier in the morning. And I'm placing it in a chair. Time is around 11:45 and it's time to sleep. See you all in the morning. Good morning and Eid Mubarak. It's around 6 a.m. in the morning. Starting my day with opening the windows. My mother-in-law is not someone who waits for her daughter-in-law to start cooking early in the morning. I also woke up early, but my mother-in-law woke up more earlier than me, hence she started cooking earlier. She prepared semia kesari and paniyaram and also finished mutton kurma. And now oil is being heated up for medu vadai, and I'm doing third batch paniyaram. And the menu for the breakfast is kuri paniyaram, medu vadai, chutney and mutton kurma, and for the sweet it is semia kesari. Recipe will be shared in another video because the video will be too long when I add recipes to it. After our breakfast, we went to our grandparents' home, which was very nearby to our house. And he is our grandfather, blessing my husband. This is our practice which we follow every year. And next, my father-in-law is blessing Anusha. And my husband is also getting from his father, followed by me. We also went to our parents' home, and he is my father blessing Anusha. This is our practice. We usually get blessings from all our elders. After all that, my sister-in-law with her children visited our house. Somehow I missed the clips of lunch preparation, and the menu was kuska, mutton kurma with chicken gravy. We all enjoyed it together. Took a nice nap, though we got up early in the morning. And in the evening, we will visit our grandparents' home, which was near to our house, to get the blessings of them. Anusha is getting blessing from her great grandmother. And this is my simple Eid vlog. Hope you all like it. And now, after a long hectic day, it's time to clean the kitchen. There was some leftover biryani which was sent by my mom. She sent some chicken biryani, raita and with chicken gravy. Now started cleaning the kitchen. Also preparing some kashayam for digestion. Boiling the milk and keeping all the vessels in their respective places. And now the hot kashayam is ready. At the same time, the milk is also boiled. Taking some milk for Anusha and for my father-in-law. And this is for my father-in-law. Now I have cleaned the countertop. I'm going to wipe it off with a cloth. Started wiping the counter. And it's done for the day. And I have finished all my work. And my kitchen is super ready for the next day. See how clean it is. Now closing the kitchen. I have winded up and cleaned everything. My day is not over here. I'm gonna edit this video and publish it as soon as possible. Time is around 11 o'clock. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Sending lots of prayers to everyone having tough time with their health. Thanks for watching.